Hi, I'm Robert Kloosterhuis with ITQ. I'm here with Ajay Patel. Thank you for joining us.
Wow, my pleasure.
Yeah, so how's the conference been for you so far?
The momentum here in yours has just been phenomenal. The excitement from our partners, our customers, and just the employees. I've been just really excited to see this. Everyone coming together after 3 years, I think. A lot of pent-up demand, I think.
Yeah, absolutely,
And
yeah.
a lot of good, exciting news, and just customer engagement, partner conversation have been really thrilling.
Yeah, it's great. We've been a long time VMware partner, proud to be so.
Thank you for that.
Oh, you're very welcome. We're moving into the cloud native space very rapidly. We're seeing a lot of momentum, of course, there. Demand from customers, we're trying to meet it. How do you see the role of partners in the Tanzu ecosystem?
You know, the exciting part is we're at a stage where we move beyond the early experimentation, where many of our customers have real applications in production. The latest statistics show something in the order of 70% of our customers now have more than 20 clusters in production using one or more clouds. That's creating a real opportunity across the entire spectrum of an application delivery lifecycle. You know, some of them are looking for simple help of designing great modern apps. One of the CIOs was telling me, you know, I go into my organization, I have 1,000 developers, 3 have built a good microservice. And so how do I get the skill set? And they're looking for partners to help everything from the how do I build great software? How do I establish what the buzzword of DevSecOps? How do I make it real? How do I set up a platform engineering team, platform operations team? And more they're saying, I don't want to be in this management business. Like the complexity of open source complexity. So is there a managed service, or can I buy a service someone can kind of manage and operationalize the day too? Because of security, with our compliance, whether it's just running across clouds, just expertise.
Yeah.
And so across the spectrum, I just see a tremendous value. And you know, having ITQ step up now in the cloud native space, I mean, what an opportunity for both of us.
Yeah, it really is, and we're seeing the same struggles amongst our customers. These tech stacks are very complicated.
Yep.
Like you said, the skill sets, and we were very excited yesterday to launch our managed services around Tanzu, which we think is an amazing opportunity for our customers. It's going to alleviate that whole burden of implementing and managing kind of the tech stack underneath, so that especially the developers can concentrate on on what's really important and valuable, which is writing great code, and achieving, adding business value. So when it comes to developers, VMware, of course, is an infrastructure company. Historically, it must be quite challenging for VMware to reach out to that developer ecosystem. So what's VMware doing in this space?
You know what? That's the right perspective from an infrastructure perspective. You know, a couple of years ago, we bought Pivotal for that reason. And with Pivotal, we have the Spring community. I bought a company called Bitnami around the same time, a year before that. Most people don't recognize we have a massive community of Java developers who are using Spring, and Spring continues to be the dominant platform. If you're an enterprise developer, you're probably using Spring and Java. And the best way for you to modernize is using Spring Boot, Spring Cloud. And so for us, it's about taking this community and moving it forward and helping them modernize applications or build new applications. So most people don't recognize, they think of vSphere as a brand, which is awesome. What they often forget, that we're the keepers of Spring. We're the committers for Postgres. I'm probably the number 3 or number 4 committer for Postgres. RabbitMQ, I'm the main committer for RabbitMQ. So we have all of these developer assets, right, that we are able to leverage in addition to our platform. So this is why we can do the application conversation through our Pivotal acquisition and be the operational platform team because of VMware heritage. And our benefit is to bring these two together into a complete platform with partners like you helping us do that.
Yeah, and people forget how embedded VMware is in open source. You mentioned a few examples, but if we take a product like Tanzu Application Platform, consists mostly of open source projects, and not just any, some of the best in breed open source projects that are currently coming out of the Kubernetes community, like Backstage. How do you see the role of these higher level platform products like, of course, we had Cloud Foundry and now Tanzu Application Platform?
I think the industry is looking for something that is kind of, I'm an old middleware guy, and I don't know if you listened to my presentation, I was saying the fun thing in middleware is like the Oreo cookie. We always used to say the cream in the Oreo cookie is all the exciting stuff. And so in some ways, there's an abstraction or management or application platform that's emerging that starts to solve these developer and this delivery and the runtime constraints. Just like an app server used to be the place you can deploy code, a modern Kubernetes runtime with all the application services or PaaS services is really the new modern application runtime or application platform. So we're really excited about moving that up. But if we build a proprietary one, why would they lock into VMware? They don't want to get locked into a public cloud. Giving them another lock-in choice is not the right thing. So we were very early to say, let's really be true to upstream. whether it's Backstage, whether it's build packs, whether it's CNCF standards, and even the cartographer technology or the Carvel technology, we've open sourced that. And so our commitment here is we want to be open, we want to work with the community, and continue to bring our strength. And our strength is really building that enterprise-grade software, helping you scale operationally, helping you make your developers productive. And then bringing our ecosystem of partners. What we offer is not just technology, but solutions that our partners can now help drive outcomes for our customers, which is really why this ITQ partnership is just very exciting for me. I think it allows us to build on our strengths for the benefit of our customers.
Yeah, well, we're very excited as well. Ajay, I want to thank you for your time today.
As always, thank you for the partnership, thank you for your commitment, and I'm looking forward to continue to work on building some great customer results together.
Thank you very much.